To transfer USDT from Coinbase to a Coinbase wallet, start by opening the wallet and clicking on the transfer option. Alternatively, you can use the search bar to find USDT. A window will then appear, and from this window, select the Receive Crypto option, which will open a search space. In this search space, type in USDT and select the correct USDT from the search results, being sure to choose the right network as there are multiple options. Once you've selected the correct network, click on the Receive button after scrolling down. This will provide you with your crypto address, which you can copy. Next, open the Coinbase app. Click on the Send button and search for USDT in the search bar. Select USDT from the search results. Then paste the wallet address you copied earlier. Click Continue and enter the amount you want to transfer. After entering the amount, click on the Preview button. Review the details to ensure the wallet address and amount are correct, and then click the Send Now button. Following these steps will successfully transfer your USDT from Coinbase to your Coinbase wallet.